Obviously, the Malaysian situation is going to overshadow even what they do, but maybe it shouldn't because the tangible book value is up so big. I'm kind of impressed with all of the banks. They've really done great things. Wells itself, probably the weakest, only because Wells has to take care of certain things. But this is a good number, and you can argue that it's a growth number. People who hate this group should recognize that it was already hated. These stocks have come down so much. Look, if JP Morgan were trading at 118 when this quarter reported, JP Morgan would be down 10 points. But if from these prices, it's just gotten they just got too cheap. And I like them. I like this Goldman number. We can hear more. The Goldman conference calls for the last 2 years have been pretty bad. Pretty bad, meaning they're disjointed and somewhat negative. If these guys can actually say, listen, we did well and we're in good shape, as opposed to, hey, we didn't do well and we're not in good shape, which is kind of the theme of the last few, I think the stock can continue to rally.
You know, if you were looking for like a building block to come after December 24th, the bank's making a stand and actually some data points that show that the operations aren't so bad, that would be something I'd put in as a little check mark on my Ben Franklin close that maybe we made a bottom. Wouldn't you? Isn't it?
I couldn't agree more. Bank of America is a growth stock after this, and I can't believe that this stock got hit. It's probably Bank of America, I want to make very clear, is the best. It's the best so far. It is rather extraordinary how much the digitizing solution that they have. You know what they are? They're Amazon, but they make money. I mean, that's how good they've become. And I really think that this is a quarter that Brian Moynihan shined. They are just making so much money off the digital customer, and the digital customer is happier. So this company is far more forward than every other. They do have a great app. It does matter. They're converting people incredibly. Erica's got 5 million customers. I had them on a year ago. They had none. So I just feel like that they're doing so much right, and that this company's got to get a premium multiple. It's just too cheap. The group is right.